Watch how I helped my client go from this to this using this mask from Pallure. It's their new Miracle Bond hair repair mask. Let me tell you first things first, it's so thick and creamy, like the perfect consistency. As a curl specialist and a curly girl myself, I am always on the lookout for some good curly hair mask, and this is definitely in my top 5 right now. So this is a bond repairing hair mask, which means it's a protein based mask, which also means that it is filling in the gaps in your hair, or the bonds that were broken from heat styling and from over bleaching, coloring, relaxers, all of that. This mask basically helps repair all of that damage through ingredients like avocado oil, argan oil, and hyaluronic acid to retain that moisture and add shine. Like this, look at how shiny it is. Like, you can't tell me that this didn't feel some bonds, you know what I'm saying? 10 out of 10, would recommend. If you're looking for a new protein-based mask, this is the one.